Gcode, help me, I need Gcode for CNC. With the logic trace system, all I have to do is trace a pattern and then save a file for my CNC machine. It is that easy. Just come in here and trace the pattern with the pen stylus. I can do nice vector file with lines and arcs. Just go in and digitize the pattern with the pen stylus. I don't have to worry about sizes. I'm going to get a great file. I'm doing a bunch of arcs here for this engine. I switch here to a line. Now for the nose, it's a nice big curve. I'm going to do the curve as a series of points. Now, CNC file or Gcode files are specific for a particular CNC machine. What our program does is it generates a DXF file that will load into any CNC software. There it is. Let's save the file.